Welcome to the Knapheide training video series as we examine the Knapheide utility van, the KUV. We introduced this series of KUVs in 2002. Since that time, customers in the service and repair industries using the KUV have experienced improved performance, productivity, and increased revenue generation. Let's focus on the productivity improvements and the value generated by using a KUV. The exterior of the KUV is designed with productivity and organization in mind. Technicians' tools and equipment used at nearly every service call are stored in specific areas and are easily accessible from the outside compartments. Random searching for just the right tool is eliminated with this system. When parts are easily visible, inventory control is more efficient, which translates into less inventory and potentially less overall weight on the KUV. Extra inventory means extra weight, time, and added expense. Bottom line, the KUV improves the operational efficiencies of every technician by providing the proper access to parts and tools at every service call. Steve Johnny, president and owner of Johnny Plumbing Service, said, "You can't afford not to operate out of a KUV. I earn an extra $85 a day because of the KUV compared to the cargo van I used to work from." The security of tools, equipment, and parts is always a concern for service and repair technicians. Let's examine how the KUV addresses this and eliminates this concern. The Knapheide KUV uses the same security design used by the chassis manufacturer to secure the truck cab. All Knapheide KUV doors are secured by stainless steel rotary latches and are easily key lockable. The door on the chassis and the door on the KUV are both secured with a full circle security ring. The contents of the cab and the KUV are protected from the elements by a closed cell bulb-type door seal. Knapheide uses double spring over center door retainers to assist in closing the doors and keeping them open on uneven terrain and on windy days. To further enhance the security of the KUV, we use a bulletproof one-piece master lock system that secures all side doors in one easy motion. Simply add a padlock and all the side doors are double locked for increased security. The continuous all stainless steel hinge design welded to the door and to the body is pry-proof as illustrated in the following break-in attempt. The gone in 30-second hinge design provided no protection for the customer, while the Knapheide continuous hinge kept all contents secure. The operator can easily lock the sliding door between the cab and the cargo area for increased security when the unit goes in for service and maintenance. Security on the KUV leads the industry and provides peace of mind for the owner and the operator. Service technicians take great pride in the appearance of their vehicles while requiring long-term durability. Let's see what the KUV can offer. The KUV is constructed of both A40 galvanneal and high tensile strength steel for excellent durability and the best overall long-term appearance. A40 galvanneal steel provides better forming properties and corrosion protection around door edges and compartment openings when compared to the materials used by various other manufacturers. The high tensile strength steel understructure provides solid body support. The entire unit is treated with a water-based undercoat providing extra protection from both corrosion and road debris. The exclusive return floor flange design of the KUV provides support for the side compartments, adds floor strength, and lowers the body mounting height as well as eliminating the rust-prone seam between the floor and the side compartments. The rear compartment interior light guards provide security protection for the wiring and recessed lighting, as well as full height shelf adjustment. Adjustable divider shelves are roll formed from galvanized steel and are guaranteed to support 250 pounds, the only weight-rated shelves in the industry. The entire KUV is protected from corrosion with Knapheide's 12-stage electrodeposition prime paint system. This is the same system used to protect the cabs on the chassis. The entire KUV is finish painted both inside and out and protected with a baked-on acrylic enamel top coat. The KUV durability and appearance continue to provide peace of mind for the customer with our 6-year limited warranty covering the following areas. Knapheide rotary latches and lock cylinders are guaranteed not to fail. The continuous stainless steel hinges are guaranteed not to fail. Shelves are guaranteed not to bend under a load of 250 pounds, and the body is guaranteed not to rust through. The Knapheide KUV continues to lead the industry with the best quality, appearance, and long-term peace of mind for the owner and operator. From a functional point of view, the KUV can help the service technician do their job better. The cargo van is large enough to store considerable bulk materials like insulated ductwork, water heaters, air conditioner condensers, and furnaces. 4x10 sheetrock can even be transported in the cargo area with the rear doors closed. The 2 conduit access doors store 10-foot pipe sections and other building materials. A fully functional access door between the cab and the cargo area can be opened even with the material stacked against the bulkhead. Opening the door can even create a climate-controlled work area and a longer cargo storage area. The transition between the cab headliner and the steel body provides upper head impact protection as required by the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards Law number 201. No other utility van body in the industry provides this protection. Horizontal doors can easily be lowered 180 degrees to provide ease of unloading heavy materials or to operate in narrow quarters. Notice how much easier it is to unload a large roll of wire with the door all the way down. The design of the KUV has functionality at the top of the list, allowing service technicians to be more efficient on each call and complete more service calls each day. We've reviewed some of the reasons the KUV is your first choice for the best return on your investment. The KUV generates added revenue, providing the organization needed to make additional service calls every day. The KUV is a revenue-generating concept that absolutely pays for itself. And remember, if it's a KUV, it must be an Knapheide.